auto lovers, this is Big Joe Auto Diagnostics. I want to show you how you can replace a bad boot and putting in a new boot for a Corolla shaft. So I'll be using my pin plier, and also be using a pin tool to also support the clip, and also my grease gun to grease when I want to fill in inside. And I'll be using this my Phillips flathead to unscrew. So I'm about to remove the clip. You can see I'm expanding it. Now I've gotten access to the clip already. You can see. The clip is now expanded. Alright, so it's now out. The band is now out. Keep this aside. Then bringing this out. It's a messy job. You can see this is out. And this is removed. Alright, so this is the new one, and we're having the band clips inside. You can see the band clips. So this will be fitted. You can see. And this will be placed back. Now it's fitted in. Then I'll be using my clip, the clip I removed before, fixing it back. You can see it's a messy job. See, it's all in. So then I start applying my grease. You can see. So still greasing in. So that is how you do your inboard shaft for your vehicle. Big Joe Auto Diagnostics.